Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to G.O.A Farm. Yes, I'm back again with another video. Yes, if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button, comment, like, and give us any question that is bothering your mind on fish farming at the comment section. We'll answer them. Also, if you want us to do any video on any process or procedure in fish farming, drop the questions for us or drop a DM for us at the comment section. We'll surely produce such video. Now today I'll be answering the question on fish drugs. Many people have been asking me, is there any fish drug? What fish drug do you use in case of infection? Now today I'll be answering your question. Now if you are new to this channel, like I said, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and comment. Now talking about fish drug, now we have two different types of drugs. We have the normal, the foreign drugs, and the normal local medicine that we use. Now I'll be talking on both sides. Now talking about the normal drug, I'll be giving you the best drug that I've used, that I've tested and is trusted, and that is number one, fishmycin. You can see this is fishmycin. It is a drug we use for curing the infected pond for fish. And also we have the second fish, which is fish biotic. You can see this is fish biotic. So if you are not using this fishmycin, you will be using the fish biotic. Now these two drugs are the foreign drugs that we use, or the drugs that normal medical drugs that we use. But if you can't use this, we have the artificial, that is the use of bitter leaf water. We all know bitter leaf, Yoruba call it ewuro, so we use it for medical treatment as well. Now how do we use this drugs? That is, how do we use fishmycin and fish biotic? Now let's say your fishes are swimming in a sluggish manner, or you see that your pond is infected and you're having high death rate, or you're having mortality every day. Now first thing, watch your water condition. This is water management. If you are new to this channel, go and watch my video on water management. Make sure the pH of your water is okay, and make sure that the water is clean. If you see that the water is clean and everything, yet you are still experiencing mortality, then your pond is infected. So all you need to do is to treat them with either fishmycin, which is the best. Now this fishmycin, you will first drain your water from 4 feet, drain it to about 1 feet. Then mix this fishmycin in a bowl of water, in a bucket of water, mix it and sprinkle it around your pond. Now after sprinkling it, let it stay there, with the fish being there for about 6 hours. After 6 hours, then pump in another fresh water to join the one that you put drug there. Then after then, you feed your fish. You will see that they will be so anxious, and there will be appetite for them to eat. There will be more appetite for them, and they will be willing to consume more feed, and they will be okay. You will see that the death rate will be reduced. Or if you go to any fish store and they say they don't have fishmycin at that moment, ask for fish biotic. It's still the same thing. All you need to do is mix it with their feed. You see, mix it with their feed. Mix the fish biotics or the fishmycin, mix it with their feed. Don't pour any water there. Let it be as dry. If you see it is a dry powder, just mix it with the feed and then use it to feed your fish. When you do that in the morning and in the evening, do that for 3 days, and after that you will observe a difference in your fish. But if you notice that after doing all this, your fish is still infected, then you have to harvest that fish. Make sure you change your water with formalin. Then you have to treat your pond again and start again, and make sure you erect your pond in a disease-free environment, because most people put their pond beside one runoff and the likes in a disease environment, which is not good enough. So if you want to erect your pond, erect it in a disease-free environment. Then with this, you'll be able to. Now talking about the artificial one, let's say you are not able to, but this is not expensive. This is 1,000 naira, this is 800 naira. But if you are not able to get them for any reason, you can, or if you have, you can just use the bitter leaf. Take the bitter leaf, scrub it, wash, make sure you squeeze out the water of the bitter leaf, then pour the water leaf inside your pond. The water, pour it inside it and let your fish stay there. After some time, about 6 hours, flush the water away and put another water. You will experience a difference. And lastly, if your fish has any injury, or the bone, maybe it's peeled, or maybe because if you are into hatchery, maybe after injecting them you have made a mistake and there is a bruise on the fish and you want it to heal, all you need to do is salt solution. Put a drop of salt in the water where they are, and then you see that the healing will fast and the place will dry up. So this is all the method that I use in treating my pond whenever there is any infection or I notice any disease. But make sure you always check your water management. That is very important, because most times it's not as if your water is infected, it is just issue of water management when your water is dirty. For you to know when your water is dirty, you can watch my video on water management, so that you can see when water is dirty, what you have to do, how you have to flush it out, to put in fresh water to make sure there is oxygen in your water. So until the next video, thank you. Stick to G.O.A Fish Farm. Once again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button, comment and like this video. You can share with friends and relatives. Until the next video, stay blessed.